Welcome aboard, sailors! Today we are going to explore the idea of heroism and come up with our own definition of what a hero is to us. We'll begin first by coming up with some words that make us think of heroes.
In your reader-writer notebook, you'll need to generate a list of 4 adjectives, nouns, and verbs that match up with heroes. An adjective is a word that describes something, so a hero could be described as brave. A noun is a person, place, or thing that a hero might have, like a cape. A verb is the action a hero takes. For example, you could say a hero fights villains. Without using these examples, pause the video and come up with 4 adjectives, nouns, and verbs that have to do with heroes. Be sure to return to this video once you have your full list of words and continue watching.
Now that you've thought of some words that are related to the idea of heroism, we're going to listen to an essay by Oliver Stone, where he defines what a hero means to him. If you would like to follow along with the written version, pause now and quietly raise your hand and the teacher will get you a copy. If you just want to listen, that's okay too. Pause this video now, please, and go to the other video on the assignment named Where I Find My Heroes to listen to the essay in full. Don't forget to come back here for further instructions once you're done.
Now that you've read or listened to the essay, we'd like you to answer the following question in your reader-writer notebook. What is the difference between the heroes that Stone talks about in paragraph 1 and the heroes he talks about in paragraph 5? We've provided you a sentence frame, and feel free to use it if you would like, or you can use your own sentence if you would prefer. Totally up to you. I go ahead and suggest that you pause the video now to answer this question in a thoughtful way.
The heroes mentioned by Oliver Stone are listed below. Choose one and do a quick search with your crew to determine what made them a hero. We have George Washington, General Custer, Abraham Lincoln, Teddy Roosevelt, Martin Luther King Jr., Clara Barton, Florence Nightingale, Joan of Arc, Ron Kovic, and Mohandas Gandhi. Be sure to return to this point in the video if you need to see the list again.
When researching your hero with your crew, write down the answers to 3 questions from the list in your reader-writer notebook and complete your research with your crew. You should pause the video now and record your research in your reader-writer notebook with your crew.
Now that you've researched what made these people heroes in the idea of history, we're going to move on to talking about your definition of a hero. Before we get into writing about a hero, though, we want you to, in your reader-writer notebooks, use the structure shown here to organize your thoughts on what a hero is. So write on the left-hand side of your page in your reader-writer notebook 3 reasons why we have or need heroes. On the right, give 3 examples of heroism. At the bottom, write 3 things that heroism is not. Make sure to just make the graphic organizer much like you see it is on the right. Don't worry too much about making it perfect. We want you to just organize your thoughts.
Once you've done the graphic organizer, you're going to use the information you have gathered there to write a paragraph. We want you to think about how to define a hero by how he or she functions or acts. Draft a paragraph that establishes the function of a hero. Cite examples from texts you have read throughout this unit. Remember that the function strategy explains how an idea or concept operates in the world. Be sure to begin with a topic sentence that states how a hero functions in the world, provide supporting detail, paraphrased and directly quoted from life and from the texts you have read, and provide commentary to develop ideas. Use transitions to create coherence.
Get to work, sailors!